How to create Craigslist account. So if you want to create a Craigslist account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar search for Craigslist, and after searching, on the first search you will have www.craigslist.org. You can click on that. And now if you want to create an account, then you can go to my account, which is on the upper left corner of this website. And under my account, to create an account, you have to go to the bottom page. So first you have to enter your email address to create your account. But if you already have an account and if you want to log in, then you can go to the upper side. So to create, first you have to enter your email address, and after entering your email address, click on create account. And now a link has been sent to your email address, so open up your mail and then you have to click on complete account sign up. And now to create an account, first you have to create a new password and then you have to retype your new password. So make sure you enter a strong password, and after entering the password you have to click on set password. And that's it. That's how you create a Craigslist account. And now you can go to continue to your account and you have to click on I accept, which is on the bottom left corner. And that's it. That's how you create your account on Craigslist. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.